Hi everyone, I'm Himani from WDI Hair Studio and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I have a very interesting product for you, which is this skin colored mesh. It's a bob cut ladies wig basically. So this one is like for people who want to try out like short hair but you don't want to cut your own hair, so you can try out this one for sure. This is very beautiful. Look how neat and how beautiful this looks. So this is 100% natural Remy human hair, and this one is a little short, like it's shorter than my hair. So this is 12 inches long. The color in this one for now is natural black, and in case we have more color options available in future, we'll definitely update on the website. The texture available in this one is straight, as you can see, and there's also wavy texture and curly texture in this one. So this one is for people who want to have a bob cut, kind of a short kind of a hair, and want to style it in that way, but obviously you don't want to cut it. And maybe if you have lost a lot of hair and you just want this stylish kind of a wig, then you can go for this one. You can see this is a skin colored mesh, and it looks very natural. The scalp looks very natural, and it is adjustable at the back, so you can adjust it according to your head size. And this one is for a better grip at the back, so there it also has a clip to which will give you a better grip. So I'll show you how to wear it right now. Like, I have a lot of hair, so putting on a wig with this is a little difficult, so I will use a wig cap for this one. So before that, I'll just tell you that this is completely hand knitted, and as you can see, there are a little bit of baby hair. This gives more natural look to your hair, and I'll just go and show you what it looks like on me. First, I'll take my comb and take all of my hair out of the way. Don't make it like very bumpy at one side or something like that. Then I'll take this hair cap, the wig cap. Pull it back to your hairline. Just take your wig, make sure it's well adjusted according to your head size, and start wearing it from the front. As you can see, this looks pretty neat and very natural as well. It looks very natural, as you can see, but you might need to style it up a little bit to adjust to your head size. So as I have a little bit of hair here, so this might be a little puffy right now as I've not fitted it that well, but this is what it will look like. As you can see, it looks pretty natural. All of your hair is out of the way, and yeah, you can change the partition as per your liking. If you want it on this side, or maybe on the center, or on the other side. So in case you have any doubts about this particular product, do leave a comment down below, or you can give us a call on the numbers that are on the screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos, and I'll see you next time in another video. Take care.